How to invite friends in Melon Playground. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can invite friends in Melon Playground. So let's get started. At the moment, Melon Playground doesn't offer a built-in option to play simultaneously with friends in a shared world. Technically, you can suggest the game to your friends so they can enjoy it on their own, but there is no official multiplayer or co-op mode available right now. Melon Playground is similarly designed as a solo physics sandbox experience. It allows players to build, customize, and interact with a variety of elements like robots, tools, vehicles, and weapons. Now, while there are some community-created mods and third-party tools that claim to introduce multiplayer functionality, and these comes with significant downsides since there is no officially supported. They can be unstable, pose potential security risks, and often have limited features. As of now, the developers haven't made any official statements regarding the addition of multiplayer. They said considering how popular multiplayer sandbox titles are becoming, there is a chance that the team could explore adding that option in future updates. They may even be working on something behind the scenes already. If you're looking for similar sandbox games that do support multiplayer, you can check out titles like Garry's Mode, Teardown, or People Playground. Hopefully, this video gave you a better understanding of the situation. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.